In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Profile pictures play a crucial role in how people perceive you online. They add a personal touch and make interactions more engaging. Luckily, updating your profile picture in Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're signed into your Microsoft Teams account. Launch the Teams application on your device or navigate to the Teams website. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a sign in option. Click this and enter your login credentials. It's important to have your login details handy to smooth this first step along. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find your profile icon in the same upper right corner. This typically appears as a simple circle with your initials if you haven't set a profile picture before. Click on this icon to access your account settings. It's like opening the door to further personalize your Teams experience. With your profile open, you'll next want to focus on the current profile picture or placeholder in that circular frame. Go ahead and give it a click. This action will direct you to an additional menu where you can make changes. Now the moment has arrived to give your Teams account a personal touch. In the menu that appears, look for an option labelled Upload. Click Upload and navigate through your files to select the picture you want to use as your new profile image. When choosing a photo, keep in mind that this will be visible to colleagues and classmates, so selecting a clear and professional image is recommended. After selecting your desired image, pause to ensure it looks the way you want it to. You might be able to adjust or crop the photo slightly within Teams to perfect its appearance. Once you're satisfied with your choice, hit the Save button. This action updates your profile with the new picture. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a profile picture to your Microsoft Teams account. Updating your profile picture not only helps others identify you more easily, but also brings a personal touch to each interaction you have on the platform. Remember, you can change your profile picture as often as you like, so feel free to update it whenever you feel like refreshing your personal brand. Engaging with your co-workers and teammates just got a little more personal. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more quick tips on optimizing your digital workspace.